Jesus said, don't build a tower without first counting the cost, lest you get halfway up and you're unable to finish, and all who see you begin to mock you and say, this man began to build and was unable to finish. Listen, if you're not going to drive it right, don't put a fish on the back of it. There's a cause and effect thing going on here. Write it down. If you manage money for a company called You Incorporated, and you manage money for You Incorporated the way you manage money for you now, would you fire you? Don't answer that. My friend Zig Ziglar used to say, if you aim at nothing, you'll hit it every time. John Maxwell says a budget is people telling their money what to do instead of wondering where it went. We're going to build a $4 million house. You would have a blueprint, every detail mapped out, where the plugs are going to go, where the heat and air is going to go, how the roof structure is going to be.